Hello guys, I have iPhone 6 today, which is water damage and customers data is important. So let's have a look here. Can you see? Yeah, okay, move it away. So as you can see, the liquid damage is triggered red, and if you try to charge it, move here. So it's not drawing any amps, nothing here, and it's showing D minus 3V. That means it has got a short on the board. So first of all, we will remove the board. And have a look. So what condition I have seen on that amp meter, it's most probably is VCC main short. Okay, I have to go microscope. Okay, a little bit of that liquid seep into here, and let's take this out. Okay. We will maybe remove this shield as well if we, but I don't see any liquid damage here. Usually these okay, see here guys, so a little bit of here. So this is the most common, I don't know why, but any liquid damage, you know, this is the first part that usually got shorted, which is, I will show you here. This is most probably that capacitor that is just by the capacitor that is the most common to short on iPhone 6s, and that is located on VCC main. We will confirm it. I have to open using G. Okay, come on using G. But in the meantime, what we will do, bring it a little bit closer here. If we can find why using G is not opening. Okay, let's check here if the cap I'm talking about is VCC main. Yep. In the meantime, what I'm assuming, it must be short circuited. Yep, it is. Okay, and I'm quite sure that must be on VCC main. This, yep. Okay, you watching? Okay, Let's watch here. See, this is what I was talking about, because just by the ammeter I know that this is on VCC main and connected to, hopefully if we give it a clean, two things we have to clean. First, we have seen one here. Okay, I will just not much, so I'm not gonna do with the ultrasonic. I will just clean it like this. Okay, looks better. That's cleaned. So that looks okay, and this area is, hopefully it's not the Bluetooth IC. I'm expecting, because Bluetooth IC, you know how it's filled under, so it's almost impossible to go the liquid inside. It can blow the solder balls inside, but the liquid can't go inside. So most probably that yep. So what we will do in this case, we will just take it out, and then if we are lucky, this is what the problem was, and we should have a working phone. If it's still, yep, no short. Okay, and now what we will do, we will put it in the housing again. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you. And hopefully this will be a quick repair. That was short on VCC main. VCC main short are very easy to fix as compared to upper short. Okay, and first of all we will check here if we got any sign here. Yep, can you see? It's charging fine here. Okay, so the next thing I will be doing, I don't want to, LCD should be okay. I don't see any mark here, so let's put that LCD. And I hope no one else was trying to reset it or something, and we will still have the data intact. Oh yeah, so do you see charging sign? Okay, yeah, I can see it here. I don't know if you can see or not, but anyway, what I will do, I will power it on with the DC power supply. Take it out. My power supply is a little bit playing up these days. With battery I can turn on the same phone, which is I'm unable to turn on. Is it 6G, right? Okay. Yep, turned on fine. Amps are okay. Going into boot mode. Close to 300 milliamp. Should boot up anytime by now. And we can recover his data. Bit long, but still showing on the DC power supplies, drawing the right amp. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. This power supply, I think, even though I have got another one, but this is what my favorite is. Yep. Okay. Touch is working fine. Took a little bit longer to boot. I think this is because of. So that was a quick repair, which was liquid damage, and short was on VCC main. All done. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.